Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do our first advent calendar unboxing of the season. I get so excited about these. Sephora was kind enough to send me their advent calendar, which looks like this year. They're going with the pink and purple vibes for the year. And it doesn't have the price, but I will list it in the description box down below. This is I think the Moving Lights Advent Calendar. It says 24 surprises, makeup, skincare, bath, and accessories. So if you'd like to know what's inside the Sephora Advent Calendar, then just keep watching. All right, so this is what it looks like. I'm gonna zoom out a little so everything is in frame. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Of course, on the back, you can get all of the previews and the ingredients, like all the things that you need to know, if it's for sensitive skin, how long the product will last, is it cruelty-free, all of that is on the back. So if you are curious to know, you can turn it around and look at the back. But I personally enjoy kind of going through day by day and seeing what's inside. So let's open this up. All right, so it opens up like this. And this might be too big for me to even show on camera, so I'll try to scoot back as much as I can. I don't even know if I'm in the frame, honestly. So here it is. Just know that I'm going by number. So right here is day number 1. And we get a little mini lift mascara. I have used this one. I have a whole video dedicated to trying this one, the full size. So go ahead and check that out if you are interested. Day 2 is probably going to be all the way over here. Yes. This is a clean skin gel. This was in the advent calendar last year, and I do take this on vacation with me. So it's nice to have like sample skincare and cleansers when you travel. Day 3 is up here. Ooh, a metallic silver hair scrunchie. I will use that. Day 4, and this is kind of like metallic. I'm not sure if you can tell. There's a bit of sheen to this. Day 4 looks like a clean white nail polish. I hardly ever use their nail polish. My preferred polishes are Color Street nail strips, which I have on right now, or Mooncat polish, or Essie Express, the fast dry polish. But that's just me. That was 4. Day 5 is right here. I feel like this is much easier to open this year than it was last year. Ooh. Quenching and Plumping Effect face mask. I think that's a new one. I don't think we had this one last year. Okay. Day 6. Please be a blush or something good. It's a little shower pods. We got this exact one last year, the Minoy shower gel. 7 over here. Oh, it's like a separate in half one. Okay. This one they include every single year. It's a red lip liner. Like, I know Sephora launches new products all year, every year. So I feel like there should be some new things in there. Like, this is one of their newer mascaras, so like that makes sense. But like the same red lip product, the same shower gel, like 2 or 3 years in a row, gets a little old, especially if you buy them every year. So Sephora, if you are watching, please vary things and add things that are new to your collection. Maybe they're still in here, but just my initial thoughts. That was 7. Day 8. The hydrating cleansing wipes, which I believe we got these same wipes last year. But I will always use wipes. I'm never complaining about getting additional wipes. 9. Face stickers or nail stickers, I'm not entirely certain. Multi-purpose phosphorescent stickers. Doesn't say what they're used for, just that they're phosphorescent. All right, what number was that? 9, 10. Blackhead remover. Okay, those are always good. I don't know if anyone else gets more acne in their adult years than they ever did as a teen, so they will come in handy for me for sure. That was 10. 11 over here. Ooh, I think this is new. Okay, Sephora, some slanted tweezers. I will definitely use these. 12 is right here. looks like a new one as well. Anti-dark circles, anti-fatigue eye mask. I could definitely use that for sure. All right, 13. Okay, a top coat. It's fine. I'll give it to my daughter. 14 is up here. Set of 2 nail files. 15 is here. It looks like a large one. Okay, 15 was a coconut foot mask. 16. I think this is like a scrubby mitt, which I do use these, so I'll get use out of that. 17 is right here. Another little sample skincare, brightening eye cream. I think we got a bigger sample size last year of the exact same product. 18, 18, 18, 18. Looks like a full-size 12-hour eyeliner in the shade Matte Brown. I think we got this exact same thing last year as well. Same shade. It was even the waterproof version, if I remember correctly. Although this year it has a smudger on the back, so perhaps that's a new feature. 19. Could this be one of my favorite lip masks? It is. Moisturizing and Smoothing Cherry Lip Mask. I love this one. All right, I think these might be new this year. Silver Sparkly Hair Clips. 21. All Day Hydrator. We also got this exact same Sephora product last year. 22. 23, 22. Berry Red nail polish from Sephora. I feel like last year we got a red, a clear, and a white, or a red, a clear, and a green. We don't need to keep getting the same color nail polishes every year in the advent calendar. 23 is right here. Okay, this is one of those like mask scoops and like roller products, which is different. And then finally we have 24, which is Christmas Eve. And this is a lip marker. Okay, this is a new product. I've never seen this product before. I've never tried this product before. A lip marker. Lightweight, no transfer. Shake before use. So is this like a stain? So as far as makeup goes, we got the red lip liner and the brown eyeliner that we got last year. So those are a repeat. I haven't even touched the ones from last year. We've got one of their newer mascaras, which I do appreciate. And we have a brand new lip marker, which is awesome. Tempted to try it. And yes, I'm wearing my little Rudolph hoodie. Oh, it's literally like a marker. This feels like a lip stain to me, just in much more convenient packaging. But here you have the new product from Sephora. Then we got 1, 2, 3, 4 masks, a blackhead remover, and a pack of wipes. We got a couple of tools. I'm excited about the tweezers. This, I don't know if I'll use it or not. I generally just dip things out with the back of my nail. We got the little hair clips, which is fun. These little phosphorescent stickers, which I don't know what I'll use them for. Some nail files, which I have so many of. Little sample skincare products, which are good for a travel bag. A scrubby cloth like glove. A hair scrunchie, which is fun and new. 3 nail polishes, which I probably will never use. And another bubble bath shower gel little sample pod, which I haven't even used the ones that I got last year, just because it's like, it's one use and I never think to put them in my shower. They're always in like a travel bag or a sample size bag. So all in all, I do enjoy getting advent calendars just because you never know what you're going to get inside. And I do like a lot of their face masks. I'm excited to have another one of those mascaras, the scrubby cloth, the makeup remover wipes. Like those are all things I will use. The tweezers. I just don't know if you need this one every single year because there are a lot of repeats from year to year. So there you have it. Those are my thoughts. I hope you guys enjoyed the first and possibly only Advent unboxing as part of this year's holiday gift guide. For some reason, I just haven't been able to get my hands on as many Advent calendars as I had in previous years. So hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.